Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for the e.l.f. products. I went ahead and opened the box beforehand. So I'm going to be showing y'all these products that I've recently ordered. So this is the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. This is something fairly new that I have not tried yet, and I was really confused on what shade I should go with because they have quite a few to pick from, which is good, but it just like, I was really debating on like two of them that looked really kind of similar, so I wasn't sure. But I got the Fair 125C, so let's see how it looks. I'm hoping that it'll match up really good. So of course their packaging's always cute, very sleek and clean. Let me try to move this out of the way. So yeah, so far I like it. I mean, it's plastic, but it's nice, and it's got the compact mirror. And so I think, ooh, it really is like really smooth. So that is how the shade looks. And oh yeah, I think it's going to be a good match for me. So it blends it in really easy and looks good. I think it's going to match up my skin tone really well. So I'm excited about that. Oh, and it does come with a little applicator, in the bottom. If you like using these, it's easy to, on the go type of thing. But if you like to apply it, a brush or whatnot, you can try that. Whatever you prefer. So yeah, since it's a powder foundation, I have really been on a search for a powder foundation. Something that goes on smooth but doesn't look like too powdery. I don't like that matte powder face, So I want something give like a coverage, like a liquid foundation type of thing, but doesn't, still got a little glow in there. So I'm excited to try that out. I think the color is going to match up really good. So we'll see how that goes. And then, gosh, let's see. So here is, I think they gave me this as, because I don't remember ordering this. I think this was a free gift. So let me see if I can open here. This is called the e.l.f. Tinted Lip Oil. Maybe I did order it. I don't remember. So that is the little applicator there. And let's see how this looks. Oh, so it is like really like goes on really like an oil. It has a nice color though, so I think that's gonna be nice. I do like the color, so I should like it. You know me, I love like e.l.f. products. I really never came across anything that I really don't like. And then I got the Precision Smudge Brush. And let's see. Y'all can more how it looks. Like their packaging is always really good. Always makes it hard for me to open these on camera. So this is the little brush. It says e.l.f. Cosmetics on it, if you can see that. Well, actually no, it doesn't. It says e.l.f. Smudge. Sorry, my bad. So it's got the little clear, and then that's the applicator. So just to have a little smudge, eyeliner, whatever you like to do with that. So I'll be excited to try that out. And then I got the Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer. I have used this product before, so I usually do, when I place an order, I usually just throw an extra one in my cart to have on hand. So that is how it looks. And when you apply it, it just kind of gives a little tint, and then see, it blends right in. But it does work really good for eyeshadows and stuff, and help like from creasing and stuff. And then what else do I got in here? I got the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. So nice. I love their, the look of everything. It looks really nice, high quality, and their brushes are really soft too. I really like their brushes. It's pretty much all I use. And then I got these, which I love a product that it can be, multi-use. So these are the e.l.f. they're like a multi-stick, so you can use them like as a shadow, a lip color and a cheek color. So you can use it as a blush and a lipstick. And I got the Dazzling penny on this one, and then the Sparkling Rose. So I'll give you kind of a swatch on these, what they look like. Again, their packaging is really good. So this one, okay, well, it's kind of hard to apply like that on my hand. So it's a very light tint. It is really smooth though, it goes on smooth, but it does give a little pinkish tint. I can see where, you know, for like a more natural, like no makeup look, this would go really good just to give like a little hint of color on the lips and the cheeks. And then this one was the Sparkling Rose color, which is like a little darker from what it looks like on the internet. So let's see how it looks once I take it on. So yeah, this one looks a little darker, and they're just little twist ups like a lipstick. So I'll try it here. Well, because it doesn't go good on my hand, so I'll do it like this again. Yeah, so this one's got the pink one. This one had some little shimmer in it too, and this one's got some shimmer, if you can see, and it is a little darker, but it's still a nice shade. I think you could still even get you know, get away with using kind of a, you know, more natural kind of no makeup look as well. I do like these though, from, you know, they're not too big, easy to kind of carry around, throw them in your bag, whatever. It doesn't take up too much space, so I like that. And, you know, again, since you're using one product for your lips and your cheeks, then you don't have to carry a lipstick and a blush around in large packaging. So I think they're really convenient. So that's all I got for today. I just wanted to make a quick video just to show that off. I am going to try out these products and stuff, so I'll probably do, you know, a review later on after I wear them for a little bit and test them out, see any kind of pros and cons about them, and I'll give you all my thoughts on that. Alrighty, if y'all have any questions, please leave a comment below, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because I do post videos like all the time, usually new ones every week. So yeah, if you'd like me to, you know, show you how I apply any kind of products, or if you have any requests, feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to do it because I like to test out new products. So I'll catch up with y'all later. See ya.